Okay, so here we have our candy neuron. We're going to start over here at the soma. The soma is the lifesaver. And in the neuron, the soma surrounds the nucleus, and the nucleus is represented by the blue M&M. And in this little area here contains all the normal cell activities that would go on in other human body cells. For example, some structures like the mitochondria and the Golgi apparatus are contained right there. Then just moving out, we have the dendrites, which are represented by the gummy worms. The dendrites send messages, or receive messages. Receive messages that they get from the dendrite spines, which also receive messages from other neurons, and depending on what the message says or what chemicals it contains, it will want to shoot a signal down its axon. And the axon is represented by the Twizzler. The axon can be surrounded by something called the myelin sheath, which is represented by those fruit roll-ups, and the myelin sheath will speed up the firing process of the cell, so it will fire messages down its axon faster. The area between the two, if you can see the area between the two myelin sheaths, is called the node of Ranvier. And just moving down, once the message gets all the way to the axon terminals, it will be ready to go to another cell. So it is, as you can see, the neurotransmitters, which are the nerds, are surrounded in vesicles. The vesicles carry the neurotransmitters across the synapse, and the synapse is just the gap between two neurons.
These are the terminals, and inside of them there are neurotransmitters.
Once the vesicles get to what are the receptor sites, if you can't see, the receptor sites are little nodes in the dendrites of the receiving cell or the postsynaptic neuron.
That was just like inside.
The neurotransmitters will enter the receptor sites, go through the dendrites, and repeat the process into the next neuron. So if you zoom back out, the neuron that fires the messages to begin with is called our presynaptic neuron. It is going to send messages to the postsynaptic neuron, which will then become the presynaptic neuron for a later neuron to follow.